All right, round two at the motorcycle show. You got rings, more rings. Got the big rings for myself. I wear these size different fingers.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good. Just look, all kinds of rings, man.
Yep.
Can't tell. These got brass knuckles. Yeah. Jesus. Lots and lots of rings. Jesus. Oh yeah. Got necklaces galore. I'm like, holy moly. Yeah, people are getting into the motorcycles right now, man. This time of year, they're getting ready for it. More rings. Those suckers. Good clothing for the women. So if you want to be rode hard, put away wet. Plenty of it. M's oil. More clothing. How's business?
Doing good. How are you?
Good. What's this all about?
Seafoam?
Yeah.
This is our Bugs Be Gone.
Okay.
This is a water-based, water-activated cleaner. Breaks down proteins and enzymes.
All right.
Add it to just as a pre-soak before you wash. It'll soften up those bugs. But it also works on tree sap.
Okay.
Works on mold and mildew.
All right.
Takes out stains on upholstery or your clothing. Breaks down anything that's organic.
Okay. Cool. All right.
All right?
Very nice. You online?
We're online. We're at all major auto stores.
Okay.
And Tractor Supplies and hardware stores.
Okay. Perfect. All right. All right, guys. There you go.
Thank you.
Perfect. No problem.
Or it was the right side.
There's always someone here pushing something. So it's good to see. Another motorcycle over here. More clothing coming up. This is kind of a cool little bike. I love these clothes. I don't have time to wear these, but this is $25. This is nice. So those are kind of cool for $25. I love the color. Yeah, you name it. They got it here, man. That's kind of a crazy one right there. More over here. Those are I kind of like that. These things are like heavy as hell. You're gonna be out there ice fishing or something. Go over here. Go this way. Remember, we're kind of in the drinking area right now. Walk along over here. Go over here. Kind of a cool bike. For sale. $45K. I guess. Holly. I'd kill myself in that thing. 2023. 1,100 miles on it. By the time this comes out, but 651. There's your. There it is. I'm just getting into all kinds of fun bikes. Excuse me. This bad boy. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Be afraid to drive it. Rolling Thunder. Oh boy. Look at this bad boy. That's crazy. I don't want to have your baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, look at that thing. Remember orange choppers? Look at all that stuff in there. Good Lord. Lucky 7 Custom Cycles. Out of Halton City, Texas.
Where do you suppose they got that McDonald's?
This is the Lucky 7 place. Over here. Must be somebody, a celebrity here. People taking pictures with somebody. Oh. Let's go over here. For sale, look at that bad boy. Okay, bike, but I don't know the color. Ah. Very simple bike right there. Nice. Some people like bikes. I like classic cars. All kinds of fun stuff here. I was here last time. Remember this stuff. Kind of all this stuff right here. House of Color. Oh wow, look at that bad boy. Sidecar. Remind me of the Outlaws. Heck yeah. 2024 Davis Custom. Cool. What do you guys think about that, huh? Oh my goodness. Very nice. Look at that bad boy right there. Whew. Again, you'd be afraid to take him out, man. Like, you know, I'd love to have a nice Cadillac convertible. Big dog, but, you know, not a nice car, but afraid to take him out. But that's what you buy him for, I guess. Nice little Harley right there. Yeah, they got all kinds of bikes here. I like the old look to this one. It's kind of cool. So easy to just get that engine. Okay. But I do like this one. This one's kind of cool. Chopper class giveaway. Oh my God. I saw this one last time we were here. Kind of cool. 1938. You ever watch Pickers? That guy loves bikes. Always go to that bat, the 50s. Old Honda. It's kind of cool one here too as well. It's a 1977 Honda. 1972. 1968. I don't know my motorcycles that well, but a lot of people do. Oh yeah. Oh my. Cool. Very cool. That's a nice one. All right, Eddie Van Halen, you're damn right. Cool. Evil Knievel. 2008. Nice. Very, very nice. All right. Round 2 in the books.